After we ask why and we ask what if, we begin to ask how. How is the action phase. When we ask, how do I actually get this done? How do I decide which idea I'll pursue? How do I test the idea to see what works and what doesn't? And if I figure out it's not working, how do I figure out what's wrong and fix it? In our shared Google Doc, we began asking questions to help us develop solutions. So we started with the what if question of, what if students had more freedom or choice in developing their complex thinking skills? And we asked lots of how might we or how do we questions. And then we asked several how do we questions related to the what if question of focusing on process instead of final product. And ultimately, what we decided was that based on our survey, it made the most sense to focus on the what if students had more freedom or choice in developing their complex thinking skills question. So we began to focus really on choice. After narrowing in on the question of what if students had more freedom or choice in developing their complex thinking skills and developing several how questions to help us to develop possible solutions, we began to prepare for our multimodal presentation by sharing our notes in our shared Google Doc. And that included making a ThingLink. It also included the division of labor, where we determined that we would pursue 4 specific approaches for incorporating student choice in the classroom. So we each took one of those different methods, and then we split up the rest of the work, including research. Once we decided who would research each strategy, we did additional research to come up with a conclusion.